is where we squeeze the lemons. So make sure when you guys squeeze the lemons, don't put your hand in between. You can get cut. Okay, so guys, when you're squeezing your lemons, be careful. Remember that. Be careful. Tell an adult if you're going to use, if you want to use scissors, this, or knives. And we got our sugar here to make it sweet. For flavor, we got our salt, I forgot. And we got this to put our lemon juice, and that's a strainer. To do like this to pour the juice. We got our ice and cold water in our lemonade cup. Lemonade. And we also got our spoon. Let's get started. Okay, first guys, we're gonna squeeze our lemons in this. We're gonna squeeze our lemons in this. Let's first put our lemons in here. Now we're gonna put our sugar and salt in there. Now it goes the spoon. We're gonna start at the sugar mix. And also I have my friend SpongeBob who's watching me cook. Because you know SpongeBob drinks watery stuff. He has watery stuff. He doesn't eat food. He only drinks watery stuff. So I'm going to make some cold lemonade juice for him. Sugar has been melted. The ice is melting. So we gotta hurry up. Sugar gone. It's good. Now let's pour it into a cup. Now I'm gonna pour in the cup and I hope I can do it because this is pretty heavy. It has a lot of juice in there. So heavy. So that's why this one is for my dad because he loves sweet. So I'm going to give that one to my dad. So you know I love sweet more than my dad. Let's see how it tastes. Yum. Yes, try this at home. It's really good. If you like my channel, give it a like, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! It's summertime.